All right, so we're gonna reset the maintenance required light on a 2005 Lexus RX. Now this will work on a few different models, but we're doing this for the Lexus RX 2005. Now the first thing we need to do is put gas. No, just kidding, but this car does need gas. So first we're gonna turn our car off. We're gonna turn our key to the on position. On our trip button over here on the left side of our steering column, we're gonna press, we're gonna scroll through it till we get to our odometer. Now, once we get to our odometer, we're gonna turn the ignition switch back off. From there, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold our trip button again. At the same time, turning the key to the on position. Now, we're not gonna turn the engine over. We're not gonna turn it on. We're gonna turn it to the on position. We have accessory, we have on, and we have start. We're just going to the on position. At the same time, pressing the trip reset button. So we're gonna hold the trip reset button down. I'm gonna have to put the phone down, and we're going just to the on position. So we're gonna see these little blinking lights. Once that gets down to 0, our maintenance required light turns off, and that's really all there is to it. So we're gonna turn the vehicle off, turn it back on, make sure the reset was complete. There's a maintenance required light there, and it's gonna go off. All there is to it. Thanks for watching.